Today, we're breaking down the 10 fashion rules every woman should always follow, the timeless, elegant, confidence boosting style principles that make getting dressed feel effortless. These aren't trends, and they're not about buying more clothes. These are the go to rules that fashionable women around the world use to look polished, feminine, and put together every single day, regardless of age, body type, or budget. So grab a coffee, get cozy, hit that like button, and let's elevate your style from the inside out. Fit is everything. Ladies, I promise you, the secret to looking expensive isn't a brand, it's fit. A perfectly fitting outfit will always look more elegant and polished than an ill fitting expensive one. Fit checklist for women. Tops should skim, not cling. Blazers should sit flat across your shoulders. Pants shouldn't bunch at the crotch or drag on the floor. Dresses should follow your curves, not strangle them. Skirts should highlight your waist, not hide it. Bra fit matters. Get measured once a year. Tailoring tips: hemming pants, nipping the waist on blazers and dresses, adjusting straps, taking in or letting out seams. When your clothes fit your body shape, you look instantly slimmer, taller, and more expensive. Create a timeless wardrobe foundation. Trends are fun, but the most stylish women rely on timeless staples, timeless women's fashion essentials: a crisp white button up, high quality white tee, little black dress, straight leg denim, tailored blazer, classic trench coat, nude and black heels, a structured handbag, a simple everyday necklace. How to use trends wisely. Add trends through accessories. Avoid trend overload. Never go broke chasing TikTok fashion. Buy trendy pieces cheap. Invest in your staples. With a timeless base, you can mix in trends without ever losing your personal style. Master colors and proportions. Color and proportion are the building blocks of stunning outfits. Color rules for women. Neutrals are always chic: white, beige, camel, taupe, ivory, gray, navy. No more than 3 colors per outfit. Find your undertone: warm, cool, or neutral. Know which colors brighten your face and which ones wash you out. Proportion rules: fitted top plus flowy bottom, flowing top plus tailored bottom, crop tops pair best with high waisted bottoms, long coats plus sleek outfits create the perfect silhouette. Midi skirts nearly always flatter. Women who master proportion look effortlessly balanced and elegant no matter what they wear. Quality over quantity. You don't need a huge wardrobe, you need a smart one. Quality indicators for women's clothing: smooth seams, no puckering, thick, non transparent fabrics, natural fibers like cotton, wool, linen, silk, no loose threads or uneven stitching, zippers that glide smoothly, buttons that feel secure and substantial. Where women should invest: bras and underwear, everyday shoes, coats, handbags, wardrobe basics. When you invest in quality pieces, your entire wardrobe looks more luxurious. Rule 5: dress for your body shape. Ladies, this rule is not about size, it's about knowing your silhouette. Body shape guide for women. Hourglass. Highlight your waist, wrap dresses, belts, high waisted anything. Rectangle. Create curves with structured tops and flared bottoms, belted pieces, peplum, layering. Pear shape. Draw attention upward, statement tops, structured shoulders. Inverted triangle. Balance your silhouette with A-line skirts and wide leg pants. Apple shape. Choose flowy fabrics and vertical lines. Empire waist tops, V-necks. When your clothing complements your natural shape, everything looks more harmonious. Rule 6: grooming is part of fashion. Great style is more than clothes, it's the whole presentation. Women's grooming basics: clean shaped nails, healthy hair, styled or tied neatly, light makeup or fresh face, moisturized skin, clothing that's steamed or pressed, shoes that are clean and well kept, a signature scent. Elegant women pay attention to the little details because they make the biggest difference. Rule 7: accessories elevate everything. Accessories are how women take a simple outfit and turn it into a moment. Must have women's accessories: gold or silver hoop earrings, a dainty everyday necklace, sunglasses that match your face shape, a structured handbag, a belt to define the waist, scarves for added polish, dainty bracelets, or a classic watch. Styling rule: one statement piece. Pick one: bold earrings, bright handbag, patterned scarf, chunky necklace. When you balance accessories, you look intentional, not overdone. Rule 8. Shoes say everything. Women's shoes change the entire mood of an outfit. Essential shoes for women: white sneakers, nude pumps, black heels, minimalist sandals, ankle boots, ballet flats, a comfortable everyday walking shoe. Shoe principles: match shoes to the outfit's tone, clean them regularly, replace worn out soles, keep heel heights comfortable. The right shoes take your outfit from casual to classy instantly. Rule 9. Elegance comes from simplicity. The most stylish women don't try to show everything at once. Simplicity tips: avoid heavy logos. Stick to a simple color palette. Let one piece stand out. Neutral tones always look expensive. Over accessorizing can ruin a look. Less is more, and subtlety often speaks the loudest. Rule 10. Confidence is the most beautiful thing you can wear. Fashion is powerful, but what makes it truly beautiful is the woman wearing it. How to build style confidence. Wear what makes you feel pretty. Don't dress for strangers. Stop comparing your style to others. Practice walking with good posture. Choose clothes that reflect your personality. Allow your style to evolve. When you feel confident, your style transforms from clothes into charisma. And there you have it, the 10 fashion rules every woman should always follow. Let me know which rule resonated with you the most and what fashion topic you want me to cover next. Body shapes, statement pieces, capsule wardrobes, anything. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with a friend who's ready for a style glow up. Thank you for watching. Stay stylish, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.